Starting around 23 June 2023, Ethereum essentially is exchanging at $1,880.77 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.38% in large most recent 60 minutes, which especially is very huge. ETH in a real sense has a really complete market cap of $226,062,403,823, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $6,804,287,076, for the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking. This in a real sense makes Ethereum, ETH, sort of positioning it too in the digital money market. Or so they certainly thought. In the event that you especially are a crypto financial backer, and considering what explicitly is the Ethereum cost expectation end of 2023, what will Ethereum really be somewhat worth in 2023? Or so they in every practical sense thought. Is Ethereum a wise venture or especially worth purchasing in 2023 in a by and large huge manner? Will ETH value sort of outperform its untouched high? Which for the most part is very critical. These generally are our Ethereum cost expectations for ETH's future in a for the most part enormous manner. Ethereum ETH value expectation 2023. As per the Ethereum figure cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the ETH cost basically is supposed to cross a genuinely normal value level of $2,194.86, the normal genuinely least value worth of Ethereum, toward the finish of the ongoing year. Ought to especially be $2,126.17, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. Besides, ETH can arrive at a kind of most extreme value level of $2,365.76, which really is genuinely huge. ETH value figure June 2023. With respect to June 2023, Ethereum explicitly is supposed to in a real sense arrive at least value worth of $1,631.42, for the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking. The ETH cost could explicitly arrive at a by and large greatest cost of $1,854.67, with the truly normal cost around $1,803.15, showing how this for the most part makes Ethereum ETH positioning it too in the digital money market, truly as opposed to mainstream thinking. Ethereum ETH value conjecture July 2023. For July 2023, the cost of Ethereum especially is really anticipated to explicitly arrive at a kind of typical cost of $1,875.28, while the coin could exchange between an especially limit of $1,926.80 and at least $1,806.59, especially as opposed to prevalent thinking. Ethereum ETH value expectation August 2023. The cost for Ethereum in August 2023 can go somewhere in the range of $1,881.60 and $2,001.81, while the in every practical sense normal exchanging cost ought to explicitly be around $1,950.29, or so they essentially thought. Ethereum value conjecture September 2023. The in every way that really matters, normal cost of Ethereum ETH could sort of go to $1,989.29 toward the finish of September 2023 in an unpretentious manner. ETH could sort of exchange around a most extreme worth of $2,099.32, with the in every practical sense least expected cost of $1,903.43, which especially is genuinely huge. Ethereum value figure October 2023. In October 2023, the cost of Ethereum truly is supposed to be at around a sort of least of $1,980.28, which most certainly is very huge. Ethereum cost can arrive at an in every practical sense limit of $2,178.89, with the especially normal cost of $2,048.97 in United States dollars, which especially is very huge. Ethereum ETH value expectation November 2023. The cost for Ethereum in November 2023 can run somewhere in the range of $2,024.58 and $2,281.34, which especially is very critical, while the very normal exchanging cost ought to basically be around $2,110.44, which in a real sense is very huge. Ethereum value gauge December 2023. In December 2023, the cost of Ethereum truly is supposed to really be at around and in every practical sense least of $2,126.17, or so they all things considered thought. Ethereum cost can generally arrive at a kind of limit of $2,365.76, with the for the most part normal cost of $2,194.86 in United States dollars in a significant way. Ethereum past value examination and the vary beyond 24 hours. The crypto really has been in a real sense diminished by 1.44% in its truly current worth in a significant manner. Assuming we explicitly analyze the in every practical sense current market cap of the ETH with yesterday's, you can in a real sense see that the market cap for the most part is likewise down. From most recent 7 days the ETH in every practical sense was in very great vertical pattern and expanded by 12.69% in an in every way that really matters enormous way. Ethereum generally has shown exceptionally short areas of strength of potential recently, and this could be especially great chance to fundamentally dive right in and contribute, exhibiting that Ethereum certainly has shown areas of strength for especially potential of late, and this could be excellent chance to generally dive right in and certainly put resources into a kind of huge way. Inside the essentially most recent 1 month, the cost of ETH truly diminished by 5.120%. Disposing of an incredible genuinely normal amount of $101.49 from its fundamentally current worth in a significant manner. This unexpected down implies that the coin for the most part is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can sort of be a generally excellent truly purchase and open door for speedy speculation. Pretty further appearance how Ethereum value conjecture September 2023. The normal cost of Ethereum ETH could in every practical sense go to $1,989.29 toward the finish of September 2023, which certainly is very critical. The 90 days cost change certainly is around 16.39%, and the cost for the most part flowed from an especially least beautiful typical cost of $1,558.63 to truly greatest normal cost of $1,606.66 in the fundamentally beyond 90 days. Showing how Ethereum ETH value gauge July 2023. For July 2023 the cost of Ethereum most certainly is truly anticipated to in a real sense arrive at an in every practical sense normal cost of $1,875.28, while the coin could exchange between a really limit of $1,926.80 and an in every practical sense least of $1,806.59. Or so they truly thought. In most recent 4 months Ethereum by and large has shown a developing pattern. Accordingly, we explicitly imagine that comparative pieces of the market sort of were very famous at that period, which essentially is very critical. As indicated by the in every practical sense, most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of Ethereum especially, is expanded from 4 months. Or so they explicitly thought. The exchanging volume comprises an imperative job in its cost in a